Alright, I've got this pretty sweet 2017 Chevy Caprice. It's an ex-cop car. I bought it as a little bit wrecked, but I fixed it up. Still got a few things to do to it. But the police department put LED lights in the low beam. And you can't tell it, but right now the low beams are on. I guess you can just barely tell it. It's kind of twilight. This is high beam, you see them? Huge difference. When it gets plumb dark, this thing's, it's so bad you can't hardly see how to drive with the low beams on. I'll show you that here in a little bit. It's a little darker so I can illustrate it better. You can barely see the road is illuminated. And there's brights. When it's raining, it's even worse. So, I'll get the new LED bulbs installed in the low beam and we'll see how much difference it is. Alright, so the nice folks at Auxito, I guess, sent us a pair of gloves, white gloves. And stuff to install the LED lights. So I'm gonna go out there to the car now and see about taking what's in it out and installing these. Alright, this is the car, so let's get the hood open and see what we got. Alright, so that's what was in it. Those are not good. It says there, not work, try to flip plug over. We're checking to see if the wife can fit in the gloves.
Finally.
That thing sure ain't gonna fit me.
Finally, some that fit.
Alright, they're all installed. We'll just wait for it to get dark and take it for a test drive and see how much different it is. Alright, these headlights are definitely better than the ones that were in it. But it looks like we need some aiming done, so I better get that done. Alright, to summarize, those are the lights I used. They're brighter than the ones that were in it. Looks like I could do a little aiming of the lights to make things a little better, but I'll work on that. Go ahead and check these folks out. And if you need some, get some.